This recipe combines the spicy tangy flavors of chicken 65 with the aromatic goodness of biryani. Let's get started and cook up some magic in the kitchen. First, take 1.5 kg bone-in chicken pieces in a bowl. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt and 30 ml of vinegar over the chicken. Mix well and let it rest for 15 minutes. Drain the water thoroughly to ensure the spices adhere well to the chicken. Next, add the following spice powders: 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add 100 grams of thick yogurt, which helps tenderize the meat, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the mixture. Mix everything thoroughly. Finally, add 1 egg to coat the chicken pieces. Let it marinate for 1 hour. Heat a kadai and pour in enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. Fry on high heat for few minutes. Then reduce the heat to medium and cook until the chicken is golden brown. Garnish with fried green chilies and curry leaves. Set them aside. Cooking the rice. Wash and soak the rice for 1 hour. Place a big pot of water on the stove to boil the rice. For 1 kg of rice, pour in 2.5 liters of water. Add whole garam masala, a bay leaf, 3 tablespoons of salt and 5 green chilies. Pour in 2 tablespoons of oil and squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pot. Cook for 15 minutes on high flame. When the rice is cooked, add chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Drain the cooked rice and put it in a strainer. Heat a large pot. Pour the oil used for frying the chicken. Add 2 large chopped onions and 3 green chilies. Saute until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Sprinkle in the spice powders: 1 teaspoon each of salt, garam masala and Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric and 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, or adjust to your liking. Stir once. Add chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Add 1 cup of yogurt. Make sure there are no lumps and give it a good mix. Cook for 5 minutes. Now squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Add the fried chicken pieces along with the fried curry leaves and green chilies. Stir gently and cook for 5 minutes. Now add the cooked rice, spreading it evenly. Place a few fried chicken pieces on top of the rice. Cover with a lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Now add saffron milk. And there you have it. Our delicious chicken 65 biryani is ready to be served. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.